Avoiding the pitfalls, Indian English slang usage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a vital aspect of Indian English slang and colloquialisms. How to use them appropriately and avoid the ones that could be deemed offensive or inappropriate. As always, understanding the context is key. Let's get started. While many Indian English slang terms are fun and light-hearted, some could be offensive if used out of context or in the wrong manner. Here's why. 1. Cultural sensitivities. Some terms may have deep cultural or historical roots. Using them inappropriately can show disrespect. 2. Regional differences. India is a vast country with diverse languages and customs. A term accepted in one region might be offensive in another. Examples. Gora, Gori, means a light-skinned person, often referring to Westerners. While it's often used neutrally, it can come across as stereotyping if not used correctly. Pandit refers to a scholar, often in religious contexts. Using it frivolously could be disrespectful. It's essential to understand that while slang is commonly used in daily language, not every Indian person may resonate with every slang term. Tips. 1. Avoid stereotyping. Just because a term is common in movies doesn't mean everyone uses or appreciates it. 2. Listen and learn. Always be observant. Understand how the locals use specific terms before trying them yourself. When in doubt, it's always a good idea to ask. Here's why. 1. Shows respect. It demonstrates that you value and respect the individual's culture and feelings. 2. Avoids misunderstandings. Directly asking about the appropriateness of a term can save both parties from potential discomfort. Example. If you're unsure about using a term like Desi, referring to something or someone of Indian origin, simply ask someone, is it okay to use the term Desi in this context? Using slang can be a fun way to connect with a culture and sound more like a native speaker. However, it's vital to be sensitive and respectful when dabbling in colloquialisms, especially in a culturally rich country like India. We hope this video aids you in navigating Indian English slang confidently and respectfully. Until next time, happy learning!